Blueberries out here flourishing. The one thing about this, I just wish I trusted flies and bugs. Because they really would make the perfect snack. Like out here snacking while I'm working. Can't do that though because flies and poop. Nasty. Just want to show you eggshell calcium. This is that fertilizer that I was telling you about in that other video. Great source, powdered form. You can put it directly on your plants, but I like to add it in here. Just crush up them eggshells. Don't waste anything. But what you really hear is for the figs. Let's go check them out. And you remember the figs that we planted? This is what we're looking like. Took off. Loving this spot, loving this weather. Right next to a wall, nice and warm, heat, hot, love it all. These guys are growing in. What do we have this in? Like 25-gallon pot, I want to say. All this stuff is assumption because I forget the size of things, but I'm pretty sure the only pots that I have are 15 and 25. It really does not take much. And I think we're going to do kind of a time-lapse thing on this. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. This is a border set grease. We're going to come back and check on this a little bit later.
These are going to open up and become flowers. I kind of missed the harvesting period. These turn into the coolest flowers you'll ever see, like little aliens. And they really do just keep coming back. Like, okay, so next year we'll be looking at this and we'll have 3 or 4. I'm gonna get rid of these weeds, but sweet potatoes are coming back as well. And this sunflower is just all in the way, sucking the nutrients. I kind of feel like this sunflower sparked this to start sucking nutrients out, and it's like it's done. Induced. Figs are coming in. Fig tree took well. The care is not crazy on this. I mean, as usual, I treat everything the same. Well draining soil, feed on the top. Good. This mug. This border set grease just took off. Look at this. So much growth. There's so many of these. I'm counting at least 15. Why did I do figs before? Why did I do figs before? So we got the Breba crop still from the beginning. That new one's growing in. I mean, are figs what I've been looking for? Like, are these the super crop? Got some up here. like resistant to things, handles heat well, and so many different flavors, like ice cream. Figs might be the crop that I've been looking for.
Yeah, so remember those pretty flowers? Check out these artichokes now. Spaceships, man. But we're here. How about these bad boys? Got figs everywhere coming in. It's gonna turn a black color, and then we're gonna be able to taste them. I like I said in other videos, I was never a fig person because fig Newtons and my mom made that was our dessert, fig Newton. But after some convincing and video watching and talking to people, figs come in all sorts of shapes, sizes, and tastes. So we got a few. They do well here. If you leave any sweet potatoes in ground, they just keep coming back as well. And those fly traps are no joke. This poor guy. And that dill, dead. The southern things don't like the heat, but it sure shut up in the spring. Look at this bad boy. Dragon fruit, baby. Covering well. Guys, look at all of this fruit. It doesn't take much. If I put this in the ground, it'd go crazy. You got to think about how big is your family. Do you really need 900 fruit? This is in a 25 gallon, and I already got like 30 feet fruit on here at least, and it keeps going and it keeps coming in. Figs are easy. If you're in zone 9, why are you not doing it? I am so frustrated that I didn't do this before. One of these mornings though, I'm gonna convince you to garden. Let's grow.